It's 35 degrees out here today, so we were definitely in need of a swim, and our swim dream came true. So we just came to this beautiful rocky beach here. We just sort of pulled off the side of the road for some lunch and found this spot. And it kind of made me think, like, you know, what is travel to me? I love travel. I love going out and seeing places, even if they're not far from home, just exploring new spots. But the thing I love most, you know, I'll make a plan to go somewhere, but along the way, you know, we'll just do these random stops and we come across these places where it's just the two of us and it's just a beautiful little beach or a nice river, or, you know, the cat wakes us up at 5 a.m. and we go out and the sun's rising over the lake, and you know, we never would have came across that through a plan. It's just these things that just sort of magically happen to you. And to me, that's what travel's all about. That's what life is all about. All the things you don't plan for. They say life is what happens while you're busy making plans, and I believe that to the fullest. You just got to get out and enjoy yourself, whatever it is, whether it's travel or anything. You just got to go out and do what makes you happy. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Check us out at lifeenroute.com. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so you don't miss the fun.